because the weather is really terrible. I mean, 39 degrees, it's something like unbelievable. And I was like, they don't have like absolutely like any refrigerating here, like you can only drink water or going to the swimming pool, and there is like no possibility normal even like go out, so it's fucking very hot. Like they don't have air condition, even only some like 3 or 4 shops in Stuttgart, almost nowhere air condition, guys. Like it's very big problem there. Seems like it's very expensive for them, and yeah. Thank you for sharing my translation. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Hey, how are you doing? Thank you. Oh my god, thank you. Hi. You're amazing. Thank you guys. Thank you, unbelievable. Thank you. Wow, welcome to my translation, guys. Oh my god, thank you. Hi, how are you doing? Don't forget about donation. Where is your donation? I'm following you. Thank you guys. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. Hola, hola. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Peter Minushka. Thank you. Thank you guys. You're unbelievable. Thank you. Oh my god, you're unbelievable. Please follow me and send me a really nice gift. Want you for myself. Thank you guys. Thank you, Azimi, for your